Welcome to PC Error Detective, and in this video I will show you how to see your Discord profile link in a very simple way. Follow the every step carefully. Let's walk through the steps so you can use them quickly and correctly. First, open Discord and log into your account. Now click on your profile picture at the bottom left if you are on PC. Next, open Profile. Here you can see your username and profile details. Go to User Settings, then Advanced, and turn on Developer Mode. Now go back to your profile, tap the three dots, and select Copy User ID. Your Discord profile link format is https:/discord.com/users, user ID. Replace user ID with the ID you copied, and that is your profile link. You can now share this link with others so they can view your profile or add you. That is how you can easily see and copy your Discord profile link. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.